कुछ भी बकवास लिखते हैं, don't pay attention to them, you know, they never made me feel like, you know, I had a past, which is like so disturbing.
क्या दिव्या ने वरुण को चीट किया था? Did Divya play blame game on Priyank to attract all the buzz and limelight? Why did Divya decide to marry Apurva just 3 months after her breakup? इस वीडियो में सब रिवील होगा. So let's delve into the video.
Welcome to Blabbermouth. Subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any latest gossip in the town. So let the cat out of the bag.
अगर हम अब स्प्लिट्सविला 10 रीवॉच करें तो विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डिफरेंट दिव्या अग्रवाल प्लेड द गेम. पूरे शो में शी हैड नो रिगार्ड ऑफ एनीवन अदर देन हरसेल्फ. शी वाज हैप्पीली रेडी टू टेक प्रियांक आउट ऑफ द शो विद हर व्हेन ही वाजंट इवन हर आइडियल मैच. शी वाज सो पिस्ड एट निब्बी हु हैज ऑलवेज बीन द सेकंड चॉइस एंड हैज मेड सो मेनी sacrifices for her and Priyank. Then she made the whole scene of dating Priyank in Bigg Boss when they never officially dated in the first place. They were just an on-screen pair which was oversold to the public for clout. After the news was out that Priyank Binafsha के साथ दिव्या को cheat कर रहा है, तो she went crazy giving back-to-back interviews on how Priyank betrayed her and defamed him to an extent जहाँ Priyank को काम मिलना भी बंद हो गया था. And ये काफी नहीं था. She kept on extending the same topic in MTV Ace of Space, telling how Priyank ruined her life, जहाँ almost सबने मान लिया था that Priyank is a villain.
He might be pretty from his face, but his heart is black. He spoiled my life like any.
तो चलो हमने भी मान लिया दैट ये सब सच है. उसके बाद एस ऑफ स्पेस में ही व्हेन वरुण प्रपोज्ड हर, शी वार्नड वरुण विद अ लॉसूट दैट शी वुड पुट हिम बिहाइंड बार्स.
I'm in love with my best friend. I can't help it. What? I love Divya Agarwal.
Doing this for publicity stunt or impact or anything. My dad will file a case against you and make sure that you are behind bars, cannot date anybody or marry anybody. Mr. Varun.
बट एक्चुअल में देखा जाए तो पूरे शो में एविडेंट था दैट शी केप्ट गेटिंग एंग्री एट वरुण फॉर लाइकिंग चेतना एंड इनडायरेक्टली वांटेड हिम फॉर हरसेल्फ. देन फास्ट फॉरवर्ड शी एंड वरुण आर डेटिंग एंड शी बोस्ट्स हाउ अमेजिंग वरुण इज एवरीडे ऑन बिग बॉस ओटीटी. वो लोग साथ में व्लॉगिंग करते थे, क्यूट कपल वीडियोस बनाते थे एंड एवरीबडी अप्रिशिएटेड देयर बॉन्ड. अब वरुण को खतरों के खिलाड़ी से कॉल आया एंड वी डोंट थिंक दैट ही न्यू दैट दिस स्टेप इज गोइंग टू चेंज हिज लाइफ. व्हाइल वरुण वाज डूइंग द शो, दिव्या वाज बिजी डिस्कवरिंग हर लाइफ अबाउट वेदर वरुण के साथ लाइफ बिताने का आइडिया सही भी है या नहीं. एंड ये सब उसने सोचना शुरू ही क्यों किया? एक्चुअली इन अ टॉक शो विद अमृता राव एंड हर हस्बैंड, दिव्या रिवील्ड दैट अपूर्वा एंड हर were friends even before she met Priyank. तो उनके बीच में काफी proximity थी as they both liked each other. Divya wanted to marry Apurva but Apurva didn't believe in marriages, so she backed off. So Apurva was always there for her but as a friend. After years, when one day Divya attended a wedding with Apurva, she started feeling a bit weird. कह सकते हैं that she started remembering her old days and her bond with Apurva. And to her surprise, Apurva suddenly asked her directly for wedding. See, ये बात काफी weird है. जब पूरी दुनिया को पता था that Divya is in a very serious relation with Varun, तो why Apurva, her very close friend, even dared to ask such lame question? What was he thinking? अगर सामने से लड़की is strict enough and has created boundaries, rarely any guy gets guts to even think of stuffs like that. तो फिर आगे संस्कारी दिव्या clearly said no to Apurva as she says she was with Varun. But वहाँ से she started to have double mind. अब वो अपूर्वा के बारे में सोचने लग गई थी. दो उसको गिल्ट भी हो रहा था बट कोई अपने दिमाग को कैसे रोक सकता है. चलो ठीक है, she broke up with Varun after that cause she liked Apurva more. But सोचने वाली बात तो ये है that why did she pin all the blame on Varun? She said कि उनके रिलेशनशिप में वही थी who was doing efforts and she was getting nothing in return. See, if she was so unhappy, why did she had to end things up when she had another option? This is clearly diplomacy. She says that she likes Apurva because he resembles her father. But we wonder why she mentions her father wherever sympathy is required. We might be wrong in this. If a guy looks like your father or resembles him, does not give you the freedom to say and do anything you do for your own convenience. तो इसके बाद we realize that दिव्या के केस में only guy is at fault. उसके पास ये चॉइस भी रहता है कि वो अपने relationship issues public ना करे, like other celebs do. But she chooses to speak it out. We wonder why Divya gets into such relationships. According to Divya, she is so innocent that she has to undergo and bear all the pain alone. Definitely Priyank cheated on her, and for sure Varun did not do efforts which forced her to go back to her old lover. But funny बात तो ये है that अपूर्वा वही इंसान है who backed off जब दिव्या को commitment देनी थी. And one thing we clearly don't understand. If a guy in 3-year-old relation can't show you efforts you want, how can a guy who once denied to take your responsibility prove to be doing efforts which would matter? So in the end, we wish Apurva and Divya luck and hope for their best.